Hi, party people. How is everyone today? My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I am an AVON beauty boss. And we are going to do a super quick wake up and makeup because I have a Zoom call in like 10 minutes. And I just remembered, hey, you might need to put a little bit of something on your face because homeschooling is killing us. So let's do a quick makeup tutorial. Let me show you guys how I do this with just, I think, 5 products. Yes, 5 products. Okay, so we're going to get started with a Magix Tinted Moisturizer in shade Light because you can tell I'm super pale. So a tinted moisturizer is a great way to add a little bit of pop of color to your skin. If you feel like that you look washed out or you're just needing a little bit of something extra to bring some color and life back to your face. So the cool thing about a tinted moisturizer is you can just apply it with your fingers, just like this, or you can even use a sponge if you want to and just kind of go over it. Just making sure I got all the cracks and crevices. Hi, Jacqueline. How are you this morning? You are joining me for a super quick wake up and makeup. I am getting ready for a Zoom call. We just got through homeschooling, and oh my goodness, these kids, what is it with homeschool? You know, I've realized, if I've realized anything through all of this, it is that our teachers are majorly underpaid. Majorly underpaid. Are you with me? Okay. So that tinted moisturizer is again in shade Light. So you can already see it made a difference just putting that on my face. So I'm going to go in now with my Cashmere Complexion in shade Mocha or Mochi. And I'm just going to get those really dark spots on my face. For some reason, I have a little bit of redness on my nose. It is definitely not the strawberry daiquiri I'm having at night. Definitely not that. Just saying. To get through, we are on day, I think, 37 of quarantine. So sometimes you have to have a little bit of a strawberry daiquiri just to make it through, right? So how are you making it through, guys? What are some things? I need some tips. How are you not losing your mind? I never realized how much I just wanted to go sit at a restaurant and let somebody else cook for me. I never realized how much I would miss something like that if it was gone. I needed the motivation because I have a school call later. I'm telling you, just put a little bit of color on. Okay, so we're 2 steps in. Number 3, I'm going to take our Magix Dust Powder, translucent. I'm going to dump it in here. You know, I don't really think the teachers care. I mean, are the teachers really doing much for Zoom calls? I don't blame them if they're not. I'm going to take my brush. I'm just going to lightly dust. And this just sets your tinted moisturizer kind of in place in your makeup, and it gives you that little bit of a matte finish. So there we go. Okay, that was step 3. So we're 3 products in. We're almost ready. Mono Pop eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to do a touch, probably this gold color on my eyes. Just going to give it a little bit of color. These Mono Pop palettes are very highly pigmented. They have beautiful colors in them. And they can go, you can do so many looks with these shades. This is mine. You can tell it is gently used. Okay, so we just put a little pop of that gold. You can also, let me show you. I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to take this lighter color right here. And I'm just going to kind of go in here. Not doing the brows today. I may actually brush them down just a little bit. My Unlimited Lash Serum is doing wonders on my lashes, on my brows. It's really helping the brows and the length of my lashes come in. Okay, so I'm going to use that Monopop palette. I'm going to take my blush brush and watch this. I'm just going to kind of pounce it around. Pick up, oh wow, that went a little bit darker than I thought. So I'm going to go ahead and use that on this side. Look at this. Woo, girl, you look like you done been in a fight. Show you how to fix that. I'm going to take that Magix Tint. Ooh, that was a little bit more aggressive than I thought it was going to be. Okay, I'm going to take my Magix Tint and I'm just going to pat over it. Just going to tame that baby down just a little bit. Now, we don't want to be walking into the school meeting looking like we've been done, you know, around the corner or anything. Okay, so that looks a little bit better. And then our final, or not our final product, our fourth product is our Love Mascara. If you have not checked out our Love Mascara, it's these beautiful little heart-shaped fibers that go in and they just hug your lashes. They stay connected, they're not falling in. They're gonna give you a little bit of growth, a little bit of expansion, and a little bit of dramatics. Everybody needs a little dramatics, right? I'm telling you, that Unlimited Lash is doing wonders for my lashes. Okay, here we go. Can you see it? Can you see the length? That is giving. It's amazing. If you have not picked up your Unlimited Lash yet, you definitely need it. And the cool thing is right now on your avon.com/jwoolsey, and I'll put that link in the bio, the Unlimited Lash Serum and the Love Mascara is on sale. There are 2 for $30. That is a steal. That is a steal. Okay, final step. We are going to do our Respect in the Mattiatude. Remember, this shade is a limited edition. It comes in the Give 'em Tude kit. Here we go. It goes on wet and it dries matte. It gives you a beautiful look. Okay, so we did it with just 5 products. Can you see the difference? I should have taken a before and after. So let me recap. We did Magix Tint Tinted Moisturizer in shade Light. Then we did our Concealer Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha. And then we did our Magix Dust Translucent Loose Powder. That's 3 steps. Number 4 is our Monopop eyeshadow palette in brown, where we also added a little bit of color to our cheeks and our eyes. Then Love Mascara, bam, and Respect in the Mattiatude. That's it. 5 products. I'm ready to hop on my Zoom now, and I'm not gonna let homeschooling kill us. I'm gonna just enjoy this time I'm getting to spend with my kids and learning more about what they're learning and how quickly they learn, and just not going to let myself be stressed on the Zoom. So if you want these products, you can check them out at your avon.com/jwoolsey or with your local Avon representative. And if you have questions about what shade that you need, message me or comment below. I would love to connect with you and help you figure out what things would work best for you. So don't stress out. Use 5 products. Make it happen. You guys have a beautiful day. I love you all. Thanks for sharing. Bye.